Start with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. My name is Ume Habiba, and today my presentation topic is from chapter 8, which is types of hearing aid. First of all, we will discuss about the definition of hearing aid. A hearing aid is a small electronic device that improves hearing by making sound louder and clear for people with hearing loss. It works by amplifying the sound and delivering it to the ear. So hearing aid is a amplification device which amplify the sound and deliver it to the ear. Next point is main components of hearing aid. What are the main components of hearing aid? Number one is microphone. A microphone which pick up the sound from the environment and convert these sound waves into the electrical signals. Number two, amplifier. Amplifier increase the strength of the electrical signals, and some hearing aids use digital signal processing to selectively amplify certain frequencies such as speech over background noise. The third one is receiver or speaker. Receiver converts the amplified electrical signals back into the sound and deliver the sound into the ear canal. Next one is battery. Battery powers the hearing aid system, and modern hearing aids may use disposable or rechargeable batteries. Next one is processor in digital hearing aids. Processor is used in digital hearing aids. Processor analyzes and adjusts the sound automatically and can be programmed or to customize amplification based on the individual hearing loss profiles. The next topic is types of hearing aid by types of hearing aids, and we will see about the types of hearing aids by the technology. Number one is analog hearing aid. Analog hearing aid amplify all the sounds, speech and noise equally. Analog hearing aid, and it is less commonly used today, and it is typically cheaper but less flexible. And the types of hearing aid by technology. Number second is digital hearing aid. Digital hearing aids converts the sound into the digital signals, and it process and adjusts the sound based on the user's hearing loss, environment and preferences. It offer noise reduction, multiple listening programs and better clarity. The next point is styles or types of hearing aid by shape and placement. Number one is behind the ear. Behind the ear, which is also known as BTE, it is the worn behind the ear, and in this sound is sent into the ear via a plastic tube and custom ear mold or a small earpiece. It is suitable for mild to profound hearing loss, and it is durable, easy to handle, and powerful. These are the advantages of the behind the ear BTE. Next one is receiver in the canal, which is known as RIC or receiver in the ear. It is similar to the behind BTE, which is behind the ear, and but the receiver speaker sits inside the ear canal, fit inside the ear canal, and it is connected to the hearing aid with a thin wire, and it is suitable for mild to severe hearing loss. And the advantages of the receiver in the canal are it is smaller, it is more discreet, and it is better, it has better sound quality. Next one is body worn hearing aid. Body worn hearing aids larger device worn on the body with the cord to the ear, and it is rare today and used for very severe hearing loss when high power is needed. Next one is in the ear. In the ear entirely fits into the outer ear, and it is custom molded to the user's ear. It is suitable for mild to severe hearing loss, and the four advantages of the in the ear hearing aid are larger than the canal styles, easier to handle, more features like volume control. Next one is in the canal. In the canal fits partly into the ear canal. It is custom made, suitable for mild to moderate hearing loss, and it is more discreet than the ITE and still manageable controls. These are the advantages of in the canal. Next one is completely in the canal. Completely in the canal means fits completely inside the ear canal and nearly invisible and suitable for mild to moderate hearing loss. And the advantages of completely in the canal are very discreet, minimal wind noise, and the disadvantages of the completely in the canal hearing aid are it is small in size, can make handling and battery changes difficult. Next one and the last one is invisible in the canal. Invisible in the canal, deeply inserted into the ear canal. almost invisible, and suitable for mild to moderate hearing loss. And advantages of the invisible in the canal are ultra discreet. Thank you.